where we have done? Apurva, tell.
Till question 2.
Question 2.
LCM.
LCM of question 2. Question number 2, 15 and 18 we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will start the third question. I am writing the third question and you have to do it yourself. 3 and 4 from a new page. Put down the date. 3 and 4 from a new page. I am writing in question number 3. You are writing in question number 4. You have to do it yourself. 10 and 18. And next one is 7 and 8. Not 10 and 18. Wait. Not 10 and 18. It was like 12 and 9. 15 and 18. 15 and 18 we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Let me check which one.
No, ma'am.
15 and 18 is the second question. 15 and 18 we have done now. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have to start the third one. Third question is 16 and 20. This is the third one and this is the fourth one. 3 and 4 from a new page you have to do. Okay. If you are unable to see me, I'm just going to do this. Just wait. Okay. I hope you can see, all can see now. Do it yourself. 16 and 20, 7 and 8. I will tell you the answer after some time. What is the answer? And once you complete both of them, send me your answer on WhatsApp. I am noting down each and every name. All those who will not send me, I'll just give them 0 in notebook. Ashish, please switch off your audio. Ashish Sagar, please switch off your audio. Or otherwise, I will mute you.
Ma'am, you can write the answer of question 2.
I will not write, you write. Answer 2, I have not written on board. I think I have written on board answer 2.
Ma'am, you have not written.
Okay, I will write answer 2 also so that you all may check what is the correct answer. Wait for a minute. Arif, Nabira, Riddhi, Arif, Arjun, Ashish. Arjun, Ashish. Alpika. Nabira. Arif, Ashish, Nabira, Arjun, Riddhi. Ritvik, please change your name. He is this Anu Arora's Ritvik. Please change your name. I don't know which Ritvik you are. Rename yourself is there coming, Ritvik. Just change it from there. Not do look at mine. You do it on your own. You will get the answer after 2 minutes. Okay. So I'm going to hide my video because you have to do it on your own. And once you complete it, you have to send me on WhatsApp. Ashu Gangwar also. Same, the mistake which Niket has done. Same mistake is done. Karthik, beta, this method is, beta, you don't know how to take out the factors properly. So please change this method. Advika, it is correct, beta.
Thank you.
Naman, you beta, fourth answer is correct. But second, I'm feeling some problem. Second one, this is wrong. Second is wrong, Naman. Second is the third one. Naman, third one is wrong, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
You have not taken the LCM properly in third one. Send your answers quickly, beta. Okay, Pratyush, it is correct.
I am done, ma'am. I am done.
You can check your answers from the board also. If you have done, then you can board the answer. You can check the answers from the board. Okay. Navira, good beta. I can see a lot of improvement today in you, Navira, since yesterday. Tanmay, where is your next answer? And Tanmay, what you have written this? M of, who will write this 20 and who will write this 7, 8, this thing? Lakshay, beta, your first LCM, this LCM is wrong. This one. I'm drawing the line in between so that it may separate. Lakshay, this LCM is wrong. It's not 160. You have left 180 in between, Lakshay. Well, beta, you were not able to connect. And Noel, why are you always late in the class, beta? Okay, Noel, it is correct. I hope most of you have done. Who has not done? Who is still doing? Tell me.
Ma'am, I am.
I am name. Who is saying I am doing?
Ma'am, Ayushi Maurya.
Ayushi, do it quickly, beta. Complete it quickly. You must not
Ma'am,
take
I
too
done.
much time. Okay, Avika, I got your answer, beta, here. First one is third, fourth one is correct. And second one is also, third one is also correct and fourth one is also correct. Avika, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Riddhi, beta, okay. You have left line in between. Okay, okay. Okay, Riddhi, good. It's correct, Riddhi. Okay, who is this? Virat, it is correct, bache. Both are correct, Virat. Ashish, Sagar, एक minute, beta. Wait for a minute. Just wait. थोड़ा पास लाओ नोटबुक को. Wait, Ashish. Ashish, your video is not coming. I don't know why. Huh. Good. Have you done it yourself or copied from somewhere, Ashish? Huh, Ashish?
Ma'am, I am done.
You have done or you copied from somewhere? Arif? Arif?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you have taken out 2 LCM. There is one. Oh, okay, beta. Ashish, I've seen. It's correct. It's correct, beta. Who is this? Whom I told? Arif, beta, there is one mistake. You don't have to take out the 2 common multiples. Are you listening to me, Arif? Arif,
Yes, ma'am.
beta Arif, you have not. You do. This is we are not doing common multiples. We are doing this LCM, lowest common multiple. Okay, you have to take out the LCM, not two common multiples. Okay, Arif. Lakshay. Yes, Lakshay, it is correct. Question 2 is correct, Lakshay. Rishabh, beta, question 2 is
Ma'am.
correct. Yes, beta, both are correct. Both are correct, Rishabh.
Ma'am, I am.
Lakshay, draw the lines
Thank
with
you,
a
ma'am.
scale. Lakshay, draw the lines with a scale.
Okay, ma'am.
I think now all of you have done. Shall we proceed to the next part? Ayushi, it is correct, beta. Both of them are correct. Adeshika? Yes, good, beta. Both are correct. Okay, now what we are going to do? I have not written question 2 on board. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No. I am going to
Yes,
write
ma'am.
question number 2 so that everyone may check.
Question 2.
I have written question 2 on board. Tell me quickly. You want to check question number 2? Shall I write it or is it okay? Huh, beta? Unmute yourself and tell me.
Can you write?
I write. Okay, I'm going
15
to
and
write.
13.
Okay, I'm rubbing this and writing question number 2 so that you may check. Check your answer
15
in
and
question number 2 I'm writing.
15 and 13.
Question 2 was what? Tell me the question. What was it?
15 and 13.
15 and 13.
18,
18.
18.
मैंने वाले छोड़ दिए थे, ये वाले मेरे को बहुत आसान होंगे।
Ashish, mute your video audio. Ashish, mute your audio.
Oh my God, ये और टाइम लगी मैं। और भाई, हाँ, हमें रातों में ज्यादा पता है तो मुझे 10 पड़ गया है ना, 15 और 18 की, 12, 13 की, 13, 14, 12 की तो आती है।
Okay. Quickly check it. Question number 2. This is question number 2. You don't have to do it. You have to check it because we have already done question 1 and 2. 2 I think we have not done on board. So I've done question number 2 on board. Okay. Now in next turn we are going to learn about. Better listen. In next turn we are going to learn about multiples. Sorry, multiples we have already read. Now in next period we will learn about factors. Okay. Factors are actually opposite of this. Tanmay, where are you copying the answer from? Where are you copying the answers? Are you copying down the answers? This is means cheating only. Correct your answer, Tanmay. Third he has done fourth. Fourth he has done third. I don't know what Tanmay is doing.
Namma is correct. Answer 2.
Mema is correct.
Namma is correct.
Okay, shall I rub this? Okay, I'm going to rub it.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has done the work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because this is just for checking only.
दूसरा भी कर रहे हैं तो समझने तो LCM and
Okay. Now we are going to learn about factors. Ashish, switch off your mic. Ashish, switch off your mic. Ashish, switch off your mic. Ashish Sagar, switch off your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch off your mic and don't talk when you are studying. Arjun, it is correct, beta. Okay, now I'm going to teach you about factors. All of you are ready?
Yes,
Ma'am.
Okay, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Now leave all the work and listen to me. Leave all the work and listen to me properly, okay? Wait. What are factors? You know, as I told you, 3 ones are 3. Okay? 3 is what here? 3 is a multiple here. 3 is a multiple. Okay? 3 is a multiple of 3 and 1 also. What are these two? These two are known as factors. These two are factors of 3. These two are factors of 3. Suppose 6 is there. How can you write 6? 3 twos are 6 also you can write. 6 ones are 6 also you can write. 6 is a multiple, but 3, 2, 1, 6. These all are factors of 6. So if I ask you about the factors of 6, what are the factors of 6? Factors of 6 are 6, 1. Because 6, if I am asking you factors of 6, means in which table 6 is coming? 6 is coming in the table of what? 6 किस की टेबल में आता है? सिंपल सी बात. किस की टेबल में आता है? 1 की टेबल में does it come? Yes. Every number comes in the table of 1. See, listen. Wait, one by one. Beta, we will start from 1. Quiet. Switch off your mics. We will start from 1 by 1. One table it comes? Yes. In one table, every number comes. 1 ones are 1, 1 2 are 2, 1 3. 6 is coming in the table of 1. Every number comes in the table of 1. Okay. Therefore, 1 is factor of every number. Therefore, 1 is a factor of every number. Okay. One table it comes. Now we will check about 2. Does it come in the table of 2? Yes, it comes in the table of 2. Therefore, 2 is also 2 3s are 6, na? So 2 is also a factor of 6. Does it come in the table of 3? Does it come in the table of 3? 3 2s are 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
That is also its factor. Now 4. Does 4 comes in the table of 6? Sorry, 6 comes in the table of 4. No,
No,
it does
ma'am.
not come in the table of 4
No,
because 4
ma'am.
ones are
No,
4,
ma'am.
4 twos are 8. So 4 is not a factor. So we will not write the factor. 5 comes in the table of 4. 6 comes in the table of 5.
No, ma'am.
5 is also not a factor.
No,
Then
ma'am.
6 comes in the table of 6. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ones are
Yes, ma'am.
6. So these all are factors of all factors of 6. These are all factors of 6. Okay. Now you understand what are factors?
Yes, ma'am.
Factors are in which table does this number come?
Yes, ma'am.
In which tables does this number come? That is known as factors. I hope you all understood. Any issue, any problem, you can ask me. Just wait for a minute. I'm just muting my audio.
कुछ नहीं बोलनी है, क्या बोलनी मम्मा? चलो सही, देखो देखो करो करो करो। अब समझ में आ गया तुम्हें? समझ में आया कि नहीं बता? हाँ? सही। देखो ये 6 बंदा से मैंने फोटो ऑन कर दिया। 6 बंदा 6 देखो 3 में आता है 6, 2 में भी 6 आता है। वही मम्मी दे जा। 4 में आता नहीं है 6। दे दो। देखो 1 में भी 6 आता है, 2 में भी 6 आता है, 3 में भी 6।
Yes, all of you. Look here. So these are all factors of 6. These are all factors of 6. Understood? Any problem anyone is facing during the factors? In the factors?
No, ma'am.
Nobody is facing any problem? Oh.
No, ma'am.
If you have any doubt, Ayushi? Okay, wait.
No,
Ayushi?
ma'am.
Ayushi? Beta, what you want to say? You want to say something? Ayushi? Speak up, beta. Ashish, I am fed up with you. I asked you so many times to switch off your. Ashish, हिंदी में बता रही हूँ बेटा, अपना को म्यूट कर दो. Okay, Ayushi, you want to say something, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak, beta.
Ma'am, I can raise that.
Sorry, Ayushi.
I have no problem.
Okay, you don't have problem. You were raising your hand, so I thought there is one problem. So the class is going to be over.